Hey everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. If you're looking to level up your dance, we post videos just like this every Tuesday, so feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're an aspiring dancer and you want to take your dance to the next level, go ahead and click on the link below and let me coach you to get you there. In today's video, we're going to go through 4 must-know 90s party dance steps. In each step, I'll break it down, we'll learn it together, and then we'll try it with music. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna put all 4 steps together in a sequence. So let's get started. The first move we're gonna do is called the Grapevine, and it looks like this. So for the Grapevine, we're gonna break it up into 2 sections, the feet and the torso. For the feet, we're gonna start with our right foot, and we're gonna step out, left foot steps behind, right foot steps out, and then step together. So you're gonna take 4 steps to the right and to the left. To the left side, we're gonna go left, step behind right, step out left, together. Again, we're going right, right, together, left, together. One more time. Don't forget to step behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. For the torso, we're gonna apply the rock, and with the rock, you're gonna bring your torso up every time you step. So every time we step, our rock goes up. And just to isolate what the rock looks like, you're just going up, 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 up. So this is a basic groove that happens in a lot of hip hop dance steps, the rock. Now we're gonna apply that with the Grapevine. So every time we step, we rock up. Every time we step, we rock up. Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it with the music. The second step we're gonna do is called the Biz Markie, and it looks like this. So we're gonna break up this move into 2 sections. We're gonna do the upper body and then the lower body. So with the upper body, your arms are gonna extend out and then cross in front of the body. Both arms are involved, and it looks like this. So notice how I'm extending both arms out, and then one side crosses in front. My torso follows. So when I follow my arm to the side, notice how my shoulder also comes forward. So I'm opening, and then I cross. I open, and then I cross my arm. So notice also that whenever I cross, I don't keep my torso facing front. I make sure that I allow that flow to turn whenever I'm punching to the side. So with the lower body, there's 2 points. There's a hop, and then there's a pivot rotation using the ball of my foot to turn. So to do that again, if we're going to the side, we face front and allow ourselves to pivot using that foot. When we do it on the other side, hop to the side and then pivot. So we hop, turn, hop, turn, hop, turn, hop, turn. Now putting it together, it looks like this. So notice that when we hop, our arms open, and then when we pivot, our arm crosses in front. and we do it again. Arms open with the hop, pivot on the cross. Now, what's happening with my hip is as I extend and cross with that front arm down, my hip kind of pushes out. So notice that I don't stay in one locked space. I don't stay in one locked space like this. I allow my hip to go out, hip to go out as I punch to the side. So I'm going out, pivot, out, pivot, arms open, cross, open, cross. Let's try that together for 2 8 counts, no music, slow, like this. Now let's try it to music. The third move we're gonna do is called the butt, which was made popular by rap group Experience Unlimited or EU, and it looks like this. So we could break up this move into 3 sections: the legs, the butt, and the arms, all right? So with the legs, what we can think of, it's doing in 2 parts. It's a hop, a hold, hop, and hold. So you wanna hop and land with both feet. Hop and hold, hop and hold. Now with this, you can now play with different directions so you don't always have to stay in front. For now, for the purpose of this demonstration and teaching you, let's just go side to side for now, okay? So we're hopping, side, keep our knees bent, side, keep our knees bent, side, and side, and. The second part is now the meat of it, which is our hips or our butt. And so you're basically accenting the hip in any direction you choose after you hop. So on that moment, you hop and then there's a hold. On that leg hold is when you accent the hip. For us, let's play with different directions. So I'm always gonna choose side to side, back, or front. You can follow me or you can play along with me. So we're gonna go side, hop, and then we're gonna go hip, either front, side to side, or back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, I'm going side, hop, I'm going side. Now I'm gonna go front, front, back, yeah? I like that sequence. Let's play with that again. Let's go side to side, front to back. We're gonna do that 2 times or 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna hop, side, hop, side, hop, front, hop again, hop, side, hop, front, hop, back. Cool. That was fun, right? Okay, now with our arms, it can really freestyle and do anything they want. So for me, the way I like to do it is I like to open my arms and create different shapes so that it allows other people to be part of the party. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm gonna open and close my arms just for now, just so you can follow along with me. But if you want, you can play with different things, different shapes that you could do with your arms, okay? So let's try it together. I'm gonna play with an open arm and then a closed arm every time I hop. And let's do that for 2 8 counts, like this. I went slightly off script there and I did a little bit of different things, but it's okay. We get to play, but at least we kind of know a little bit of the rules before we can kind of break the rules. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it with music. We're gonna do 2 8 counts. This time for the first 8 count, let's keep it what we've been practicing. side to side, with the hips going side, side, front, back, and the arms opening and closing. And then that second time we do it, the second 8 count, let's play with different directions where you face anywhere you want. Every time you hop, you can accent the hip in any direction you want. You can keep your arms the same, but for the sake of that second exploration, just change your direction. Let's try it out. The fourth move we're going to do today is called the Alf or the Troop, and it looks like this. We're going to break this move down into 3 parts: the legs, the rock, and then the arms. So for this one, we're going to actually do a sequence of a single, single, double with our legs. So I'm starting with my right foot. And when I say single, single, double, I'm going to bring my knee, bend my knee, and bring it up. So I'm going single, single, double, single, single, double. So I stay front, but I'm just doing a slight shift in my weight and the direction. So I'm not just staying like this, facing front. I'm allowing my weight to shift side to side. So we're going again, right leg, we're going single, single, double, single, single, double. With the torso, we're actually going to bring our rock down, bring the torso down. So in other words, rocking down. We're doing the same sequence, single, single, double, and I'm just going to isolate the rock going down, and it looks like this. So now let's put it together. We're going to do single, single, double with the legs and the rock, with the rock going down or the torso going down. So let's try it slow. Let's start with our right, and our torso is meeting our knee. So we're going single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double. The third part is now our arms. So the arms play a huge part. It's going to be in a shape where our arms go into a goalie position like this, and now it goes flat like this. So when we bring our torso down, our arm meets with it like this. So with our arms, we're going up and down, up and down. I don't stay in one position and let my torso do the work. I allow my torso to come down, but my arms also move. So in other words, my arms are doing work going up, down, and my torso is also moving simultaneously up, down, up, down. So now we're going to try that a little bit faster. One note that I want to acknowledge is make sure that your foot always touches the floor before you come back up. In other words, when we're rocking, you don't want to just keep it up like this. You want to make sure that your toe touches the floor. You don't have to stomp, but make sure it touches and meets the floor before you come up. So try not to just do this, all right? So let's try it a little bit faster, and the tempo is going to go 1, 2, 3, this tempo, yes. Let's try it. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it to music. So now that we've learned all 4 steps, let's put it together in a sequence. Each move is gonna be about 1 8-count long, and we're gonna do that same rotation twice. So it's gonna go grapevine, Biz Markie, the butt, Alf, and then repeat the grapevine, Biz Markie, the butt, and Alf. Let's do it. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Confident Dancers channel. And again, if you're aspiring to be a dancer but don't know where to start, click on the link below and let me coach you to get you there.